Lockley Pin Genie Pro Deadbolt Smart Lock Installation Guide. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, tape measure, or ruler, optional screwdriver with 1-inch drill bit, and an optional hole saw. If you encounter any problems during installation, please visit support.lockley.com or call hotline 669-500-8835 for help. To complete your setup, download the Lockley app from the App Store or Google Play. Register or log into your account and follow on-screen instructions to complete setup. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 inch diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch diameter. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 inch to 2 inches. The back set should be 2 3/8 inch or 2 3/4 inch. If your door is thicker than 2 inches, you'll need to use the thick door accessories. Detailed instructions will be provided in Step 2. Measure the back set. The deadbolt defaults to 2 3/8 inch. If the deadbolt slot is not aligned to the center of your door hole, adjust deadbolt to 2 3/4 inch back set. Step 1. Deadbolt installation. Extend the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning clockwise. Hold the metal plate and twist the deadbolt body counter clockwise till it snaps to 2 3/4 inch. To return to default, hold the faceplate and twist the deadbolt body clockwise till it snaps to 2 3/8 inch. Insert the deadbolt into door edge hole, and the slot is in the vertical position. Secure with 2 A1 screws. Step 2. Installing lock exterior. If your door is between 2 inches and 3 1/8 inches thick, please use the thick door installation kit included. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. If you have any problems, call our hotline at 669-500-8835 or email support@lockley.com. If your door is between 3 1/8 inches and 4 3/4 inches thick, please contact customer service to buy the thick door installation kit. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. If you have any issues, call our hotline at 669-500-8835 or email support@lockley.com. Ensure the torque blade is vertical, up and down, with the deadbolt extended. Note: do not insert a key. Place assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot and guide connection cables through the crossbore hole under the deadbolt. Align and secure until flush to exterior door surface. Step 3. Installing interior mount plate. Align and secure mounting plate. Guide connection cables through the hole and secure to the lower notched hole. Select D1 or D2 or D3 screws based on the door thickness. Insert 2 D screws on the left and right sides of the blade. Check the alignment and insert screws through the circular holes on both sides of the deadbolt torque blade, aligning them with the screw holes on the exterior assembly. Ensure that the screws do not compress or damage the cable. Tightening the screws halfway with a Phillips screwdriver. Use the key to ensure deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly. If there is a problem or the key cannot be turned, please check whether the above installation steps are correct and adjust the mounting plate for misalignment. When finished, leave the deadbolt extended and remove the key before proceeding to the next step. Step 4. Installing interior of lock. Remove the battery cover from interior assembly before installation. Before installing the interior assembly, choose the option that best suits your needs to adjust the wired door sensor cable outlet direction. With interior assembly E, connect cable ends to their matching counterparts. Insert the connecting antenna connector into the card slot. Before placing the interior assembly onto the mounting plate, ensure the thumb turn is vertical. Align torque blade with thumb turn shaft. Make sure both are in the vertical position. Insert the connector and excess wire into door hole. Tighten the screws to secure the mounting plate. After that, install the interior assembly on it. Secure to the mounting plate with screws F. Step 5. Install battery and perform self-check. With door open and deadbolt fully extended, and insert 4 batteries. After all batteries are installed, press and hold the program button for 4 seconds. The lock will automatically start self-check. Release program button once self-check starts. The self-check process determines right or left swinging door and is very important to ensure correct installation. Once self-check completes, ensure the lock operates smoothly by manually locking and unlocking the door using the thumb turn on the interior assembly. The deadbolt should operate smoothly. If necessary, repeat step 2. Make sure the torque blade is inserted straight up while the deadbolt is extended. The device will exit Bluetooth pairing mode if it remains idle for 10 minutes. To re-enter pairing mode after the self-check, restart the lock or press the program button and select BL on the touch screen. Then, add the device using either the Apple Home app or the Lockly Home app. Slide the battery cover with a gentle force to secure battery. Step 6. Installing door frame strike plate. Select strike plate O or L according to door frame size. There is also an optional strike reinforcer plate N that can only be used with the L strike plate. If you need to install strike reinforcement N, you may need to increase the depth of the groove to fit into the door frame. Make sure the gap of the door and door frame is less than 5 mm. Secure the strike reinforcement N with 2 M screws, and then secure strike plate L with 2 A1 screws. Step 7. Installing the door sensor. Door sensors provide real-time door condition status, such as verifying if the door is securely closed. It also sends push notifications to your phone whenever your door opens and enables voice control with Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. Make sure you install the door sensor indoors on a clean and dry surface. Keep the door sensor away from direct sunlight, high heat locations, and large metal objects that may interfere with wireless signals. Use adhesive foam pads to adjust the door wired sensor's height if needed. If your door backset is 2 3/4 inch, 70 mm, no adjustments to the foam pad are needed. Trim the tab from sensor if your door backset is 2 3/8 inch, 60 mm. Remove the film from the adhesive, attach and secure it close to the door edge. Manually retract the deadbolt and close the door. Align sensor magnet to the door frame. Once the sensors are as level as possible, remove the film from the adhesive and install with the arrows aligned to each other, ensuring there is less than a 3/4 inch gap.